country is the Marshall Islands. Located in the North Pacific Ocean, the Republic of the Marshall Islands is a group of 1,156 islands with an area of 181 square kilometers and a population of 58,000. The country protects the world's largest shark sanctuary, which covers an ocean area of 2 million square kilometers. 30 atolls and more than 1,000 white sandy beaches with coral reefs make up the Marshall Islands. The Pacific Ocean. The most famous of the atolls is Bikini, which was used by the Americans for nuclear tests after World War II. All residents were forced to migrate to another atoll within the Marshall Islands. Meanwhile, the radiation level has dropped to that of an average American city.